Hi everyone, my name is Grace So and I'm an Angelic Reiki Master and Intuitive Counselor. I will be channeling some Reiki energy to help you this week on your healing journey. The message this week is from Nature's Angels on Magical Gateways. Okay, and it says, it takes courage to trust to venture into the unknown. Yet this is where the greatest rewards are. It's time to step boldly forward without looking back. So what this is an invitation from Nature's angels for you to go beyond what is unfolding in the world right now. It means to disengage from the fear and anxiety that is being injected into the atmosphere every single moment of every day through news agencies and social media. It means to take a stand and be courageous and trust your innermost instinct about what is best for you and your soul, and allow that to unfold within you. It means to trust that guidance system that is connected to a much larger arena of life than the one you are currently living in. And your soul is actually connected to this guidance, okay? It requires you to not reference the past and be in the moment so that you can hear and sense what is true and what is real in each given moment. So some of you have admitted to me how much more fearful and more anxious you are because the politicians keep changing their minds about how long to impose their restrictions and lockdowns, and some have even lost their jobs. And I know some businesses cannot even afford to stay open because of all these restrictions. And I know some parents are at a loss about what alternatives they have for their children as well. Okay, so because they're not allowed to interact socially with each other, or on some cases to go back to school. So in answer to your prayers, the Nature's Angels are going to help you this week to find that magical gateway that is available to you right now, that connects you to a much larger arena of life, where you find a deeper connection within that will actually give you the strength, the courage, purpose, and hope in this situation. Now that gateway is a place that is far from what is unfolding here on this planet. It is a place where you will find creative answers and universal help. Alright, so remember that to receive the help of the universe, it requires your willingness to receive that help from a deep place of love and gratitude for your life and for this earth. This willingness to receive help does not come from a place of fear, because fear actually blocks out love. It blocks out answers. And love and gratitude, on the other hand, opens you up to see and connect to that magical gateway within you. And that is where you and the universe will meet. Okay? So you might be surprised and find and connect to your unique purpose in life that inspires others and benefits the living earth. When you connect to your purpose for being here, it will nourish your soul and energize your life. I remember reading about two university students, this is a while ago, who built a device that can extinguish fires using sound, which was incredibly inspiring. And then more recently, a man who was vacationing in Hawaii experienced firsthand the damage plastics were having on our oceans. And so he was inspired to develop a product that would compost food products back into reusable soil. And their mission now was to create a waste-free future by removing 1 billion plastics from our oceans. That inspiration fired up his soul to create products that would benefit our planet. So be open to that miracle happening in your life to discover what your unique purpose and gift is that would benefit everyone on this planet. Okay? It could also simply be that your connection within becomes a ray of light that inspires others to reconnect deep within their own souls. So if you're ready, I would like you to close your eyes and take a nice deep relaxing breath. Inhale and exhale and let go of any thoughts. And take another deep breath and breathe into those areas of your body that are tight or tense. And if you find an area that is tense or restricted, then tighten up that area up a bit more. Okay, tight, tight, tight. And then take a nice deep breath and relax and let go. Now allow your body to let go even more and sink into the floor or chair as you listen to this piece of music and receive this healing transmission. Alright, so slowly bring your consciousness back into the room and take a nice deep breath. Inhale and exhale, and allow the breath to flow through you and out your feet. If you like this video, please share it out with others whom you feel may benefit from this healing transmission, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell for notifications of my videos as they are released. Okay, have a week filled with angelic blessings and